Hello, this is Lolly, and I'm taking an Etchall class right now at Creativation. I want to show you this goblet or this pint glass I just made. It says keep calm and create. I want to show you some of the other projects that they've got here where they etched mirror and then embossed on it in black, where they have etched onto a frame and then scrapbooked the paper behind it. You can see some of the other projects here. This is slate. There's the Keep Calm one that we just did. We didn't have time, but they did give us the materials to make the vase right here. This is gorgeous. Look at this. They used a resist pen on this, a resist glue, and then did some etching. I would love to get that. We also, as you can see me in the mirror here, we did a little mirrored tile with the bird on it. Trying to get it to focus, but it's kind of hard. And we did a plate. We etched the stand here, and we did a plate that says eat, create, sleep, repeat. Great class. Wish you were here enjoying all this, and we'll talk to you later.